So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin inside of your FHSA or your first home savings account here on Wealthsimple Trade. And if you don't have a Wealthsimple Trade account and you want to sign up, I will show you guys here my referral link. So by using this referral link, it's right here on the screen or it's down below in the description. You get some free money, I get some free money, and you also get entered to win $1 million home. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, go to the bottom, press on the hour or the magnifying glass, and go to the top search bar. And I want you to type in ticker symbol IBIT. And then go ahead and select the one at the top here, the IBIT iShares Bitcoin ETF. Now, once you're on this page, go to the bottom left and press on Select an Account. Make sure that your your FHSA or your First Home Savings account is selected. Then go to the bottom right and press on Buy. Once you're here, you can type in the amount of shares you want to buy. So one share in this case would be this much. If you want a fractional share buy, let's say $5, for example, is this much. If you want to proceed, press on Review. And if all looks good to you and you want to proceed with the transaction, go to the bottom, press on Q or press on Buy, and then finalize the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy Bitcoin inside of your first home savings account here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.